This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Michael's WOODS-Spacious 4-bedroom/2.5 bath with fresh paint and new flooring throughout. Nice floor plan features inviting foyer, formal living room and dining room, family room, large eat-in kitchen with center island, new granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Gorgeous primary suite has vaulted ceiling, large walk-in closet, private bath with garden tub, separate shower, and new vanity, second floor laundry, 2-car garage, private backyard with deck, new roof. Established neighborhood convenient to bases and I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.